Apple is back at it again. The iPhone 16e is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases in years. But what's really new? What upgrades can we expect? And, is this the iPhone you should buy? Well, today we're breaking down everything you need to know about the iPhone 16e. From leaks, rumored features, pricing, and whether it's worth the hype. But before we dive in, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the latest Apple updates. Alright, so what exactly is the iPhone 16e? Unlike Apple's traditional naming conventions, the E model is rumored to be a special edition that balances cutting-edge features with a more affordable price tag. Think of it as the iPhone 16 meets the iPhone SE, premium performance but at a more accessible cost. But don't be fooled, this is not just a budget phone. Let's talk design. The iPhone 16e is expected to feature a 6.1-inch OLED display with 120Hz ProMotion for buttery smooth scrolling, thinner bezels and a slimmer form factor for a more modern look. The return of Touch ID? Some leaks suggest a side button fingerprint sensor alongside Face ID for extra security, a new matte textured back, better grip, fewer fingerprints. So if you love the classic iPhone feel but want a modern upgrade, this might be perfect for you. Under the hood, the iPhone 16e is rumored to pack the A17 Bionic chip, making it blazing fast for gaming, multitasking, and AI-powered features. Up to 20% better battery life, thanks to a more power-efficient processor and battery optimization. iOS 18 ready, which means all the newest software features will run smoothly. If you're still holding on to an older iPhone, the performance boost alone might be worth the upgrade. And now let's talk cameras, because we know that's what everyone wants to hear. The iPhone 16e is expected to feature a 48-megapixel main camera, same as the iPhone 15 Pro, meaning crisper photos and better low-light performance. Cinematic Mode 2.0, even smoother professional-looking video shots. Improved selfie camera, better low-light and autofocus for next-level FaceTime calls and selfies. Apple is clearly not holding back when it comes to camera quality on this model.
Breaking news.
Alright, so, how much will the iPhone 16e cost? Leaks suggest a starting price of around $599, placing it between the standard iPhone 16 and the SE model. Expected release date? The new smartphone will be available for pre-order starting Friday, February 20th, and will hit stores on February 28th. But here's the big question. Is it worth it? So, should you buy the iPhone 16e? If you want top-tier performance, a great display, and an upgraded camera without breaking the bank, this might be the perfect iPhone for you. But if you already own a 15 Pro or Pro Max, it might not be a huge upgrade. Either way, Apple fans are in for a treat this year. That's everything we know so far about the iPhone 16e. What do you think? Is this your next iPhone, or are you waiting for the Pro model? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on Apple's latest releases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.